What is up, YouTube? It's Devontae back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about sending out email blasts to your personal email list on a daily basis. And it doesn't have to be every day, since you already have your automated emails being sent out. But it's really important to send out your own personal emails to let your leads know, hey, like, because I'm pretty sure they can identify which emails are you and which emails are automated. So this could be a big boost. This is a big boost in your business, and it will lead to signups and such. But before I do that, let me just use the plain Jane text. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that's in there. All right. Make sure it's plain and not Mother's Day. Let's edit/view. And I typed this out myself, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna paste it for the sake of the video. Now, I'm gonna incorporate a picture. Let's browse the server. Okay, so let me go to upload. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's that one. All right, this upload in progress. There we go. All right, this is some payment proof. Just so it can be sent out in the email. There you go. The proof is in the pudding. All right, so I got some payment proof just showing you guys what I've earned for the past couple of days. The pay period started on Sunday. So there you go. And it's very important to send out these personalized emails because, like I said, they can identify. I'm going to just do the proof. I'm going to just highlight the proof is in the pudding because it is. Proof is in the pudding. And I also wanted to hyperlink this. And let's go to last year. I always gotta like burp when I'm making these videos. It's kind of crazy actually, but anyway, I'm just gonna point them into the Power Lead system sales funnel. There we go. Highlight that. Let's go back here. This link. I'm gonna paste that, and bam! It is ready. It is ready to be sent. My payment proof to my leads to see how well I've been doing. Alright, so this is how you would send out an email blast. We're going to click Save Changes, and then you would just simply go here, go to Email, Add Campaigns, and name it whatever you want, and all that good stuff. Alright, I think I'm ready to send this. View it one more time. I could send to myself and go to Send Campaigns then. Then we're going to search for the proof. Where is it? Proof is right here. Alright, send this campaign to myself. We're going to select all. Want everybody to get this, and even the new people as well. Just want to make sure everybody gets this. So I'm going to pause this. Well, I'll edit it out. I just want to make sure. No, I ain't going to edit it out. Y'all be okay. Alright. Hopefully, well, everybody that's right here should be in the group selected right here. So yeah, let's choose a date to send this. Alright, individual people, got my name, got myself right here is my email. Alrighty. And this is about 300 people, so my list is steady growing. I really love how my list is steadily growing at a fast rate as I keep buying traffic every day and keep sending traffic to my websites each and every day. And we're going to send this off. Success, and I will get an email in just a few minutes. My phone might notify me, but I wanted to show you guys to the Freedom Takers group. This is a group of 3,000 people that's doing the same thing we're doing. let's go down and look. People are sharing their results, so you're not in this thing alone. That's why I have the Facebook links in. I have the Facebook links. You know what I'm saying? On my page, so you can surround yourself with the same people that's doing the same thing, and that's getting some success. People are once people get signed up, they send them to the Facebook group, and they welcome them to the Facebook group, and people saying welcome and things of that nature. So it is going to be a warm welcoming for you. So don't feel like you know this is the purpose of the Facebook group, just to show you guys that, hey, you're not alone. People are in this thing together. We are in this together. See, this guy, he said, I didn't get any sales yet, but he's still getting feedback. So yeah. Yeah, you see, 100 clicks is nothing. People don't come in this thing with the same mentality as this guy. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have a blessed journey, but it's only 100 clicks. It's only 100. You got opt-ins. You're building your email list, and you really shouldn't be, complaining. Like, it's okay. Just keep it pushing. Just keep buying traffic. Keep doing the things that's necessary to get signups, and you will get signups. All right. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the value in this video. I got a little friend request. I got many friend requests. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.